Hey guys, I'm just going to show you my balcony garden. I live in the city. I don't have a big yard, but blessed to have this big balcony to grow and relax and make it my own little garden. I'm here to share with you, yes, you can grow flowers, herbs, fruits in a pot and still be successful and have a beautiful thing. So I'm just here to show you my balcony garden and what I'm growing. So first, let's start with my zinnias. These are annual. They're not coming back, but you can collect the seeds and plant them again. And here I have my sweet alyssum, also growing in a big pot. Here are my mint. They're perennials. They keep coming back. Another set of alyssum. They are perennials as well, and I just love how they overflow. As you can see, the little seedlings are starting already because the seeds have been just dropping and opening. No need to collect. Yes, I need to clean up, okay? Also have some basil that are propagated from the store. Trying to see how that's going to work out. And I'm growing it in a little pot. I love the smell of basil. And I could put it into so many dishes. Here I'm growing rosemary as well, propagated from the store. I'm using my old yogurt containers that I like to use to start off my plants. And here I have my blooming chives. They're bolted, and I'm collecting the seeds. And one of the stars of the show is my long, tall coneflower, which has been taking me over 2 years to grow. And the smell is chef's kiss. I love it. Look at the big leaves, and I'm growing it in a pot. And I think it's beautiful and just gorgeous, along with some alyssum. Here's another rosemary that I'm growing. I'm propagating these rose stems. They're store-bought, and I have them in a jar. I have some inside and some outside. So far, they're just growing beautiful leaves. So I'm crossing my fingers, praying that they will grow more. And here is my purple salvia sage as well, growing in pots. These have been with me forever. They're perennials, and they just keep coming back. And the ladybugs have been taking care of them. Because I had so many aphids on there at first. And yeah, here's another purple sage flower. Here's my cat. She's just doing her rounds. And here in little pots, I have cactus growing. My brother gave me. It's a sweet cactus. It's special. Growing as well. It came in one. I split it into two, and then here's another rose, more basil. Hopefully strawberries will come one day. Here is propagated this a guava succulent. It was a little baby. And now I think I've been having this for almost 2 years. Now look at it. It's so big, but I got to keep it in this pot. Not going to transfer it to anything else bigger. I just like this size. Since 2024. And here is another propagated succulent. It's a small pine tree. And there was a little baby as well. And now look at it, just growing. And here is some aloe vera that my brother gave me. Now he transferred, and I think it's going through a stress stage because it's brown, but I've been giving it the banana water, and so far it's brightening up to more green, so keep that, yeah. So that is a patio garden, you can start off with a little pot, and you can still grow you something. So I hope you enjoyed this. Comment down below, and let's share gardening, friends. Thanks for watching.